So let's get that going. Oh, can you guys hear me, by the way? Sweet. Basically, what I'm looking at here is pretty strong resistance here on AMD that it broke with the opening today. Yeah, this will probably be a small account play. Let's find some good premiums here really quickly. So we're probably looking at it like those 522 $55 calls. That's what I'm looking at right now. And once again, guys, this I can almost assure you won't be a scalp. This will probably be more so like a longer term day trade, or maybe we're even looking at like a swing trade here on AMD. We will see though. One thing I just don't like is the RSI right now. Like, it's kind of absurd. So that's why I'm kind of waiting a little bit on it and see if we can get a bit better entry. But yeah, once again, this will be a bit longer term. I think AMD really has some room to run too. I would say we could probably hold until we get to like 54.58. We could always take profit before then, I suppose, but VTIQ, never heard of them. Jeez. Okay. Well, I guess, guys, let's enter those right now. 522 $55 calls on AMD. Let's see here. So I got 1.4. Beautiful. So now that we have that set up, guys, we'll probably not pay much attention to AMD. You know, it will pull back a little bit. Just look at the RSI right now. It's kind of absurd. So we're looking for it to pull back a little bit. But now that we got that entry, let's start looking around here. Wait, Alon, how'd you get a 1.46 entry, dog? That's a bit wild. Oh, Walmart. Jeez, that's insane, man. Well, RIP to you. Oh, I think those, I'm already up $10 on those AMD calls. Yeah, Fresiano, good idea. Like, probably like right now isn't a terrible time to get in, but we'll see, I guess. I really want this RSI to pull back a little bit, but if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen, I guess. Yeah. At least you're being smart about it, Cammy. At least you aren't trying to chase that thing. Awesome, guys. Looking at Walmart now. Oh. Well, actually, though, guys, we're actually, yeah, AMD's doing really nice already. LOL. Whoa, AMD. So somehow it's at 1.6 now, guys. Jesus. 1.66. Wow. Honestly, guys, I wasn't expecting it to go this high this quick. I say we TP and we can get another entry. So I'm taking profit right now on this. market. Let's just wait for 1 second, see what this candle does. Um, yeah, let's just take profit. Wow. LOL. Can you guys send those profits in the profit section? Wow, guys. Wait, what percentage is that, guys? 1.4 divided by 1.64? That's 15%. I do think AMD might still have room to run, guys. Um, just from my technical analysis, I think we probably got even 55.3 eventually, but that's all right. Taking profit quick on that. I ain't mad about it, I guess. If AMD pulls back, I think we're going to want to re-enter probably, but we'll wait to do that. Well, guys, I guess that's a pretty nice way to start the week, don't you think? Nice. Jeez, Walmart's pumping. What I'm looking for at Walmart right now is a bounce off of this trend line right here. If it does bounce, we might play a bit longer term puts. We'll see though. Oh my gosh. Dude, AMD pumped. Sorry guys, I'm just kind of focusing on AMD here. I'm seeing if we can get another entry into this at the pullback. It would be the same exact option. Thank you, Chris Wing. And yeah, man, for college is whooping my ass right now. I'm not gonna lie. I'm studying for the CFA. I'm taking some master's classes. There's so much, man. It's wild. And then on top of that, I'm freaking trading full time. Thank you guys. Can I look at Diz? Yeah, I just got an alert for BYND actually. Ooh, this was the longer term resistance that we were looking at BYND. So let's actually look really quick to get into some BYND calls here. You guys see what I'm seeing right here? I don't know why my Wi-Fi is so bad. You guys see this resistance that I'm looking at right now? Yeah, Chris, I feel the same way, man. This whole coronavirus thing kind of screwed over my motivation for like all my master's classes and stuff. What is AMD crossing? Um, wow, what? That's a large pump. All right, well, guys, it looks like it's holding above. I just want to make sure that we don't get caught in a fake out. So I think we're going to hold a little bit longer here. Dang, Chris, you just were here for that one play and now you're dipping. Love to hear it. Well, at least that play was a good one, I guess. Yeah, the premiums are super high on BYND. Um, you know what we could do is we could do like 522, which gives us some decent time on that expiration, but like 175 calls on BYND. I'm gonna switch. Actually, let's stay here for just a second longer here. Looks like a clear break here, guys. I'm ready to get into those 522, 175 calls. On my big account, I'm gonna have a bit different strike price. I'll probably do like 170, but yeah, that's what I'm looking at right now. And guys, by the way, the spread is pretty high on these guys, so make sure that you're doing not a market order, a limit order. Oh, Jesus. All right. Sweet. Oh. Fan, I'm still trying to as well, so I'll let you know. I'm gonna do one for like 2.6. Um, good for the day here. See if we can get filled at 2.6. No, I'm not in yet, GK. Still waiting here. Great. So I'm looking at 522. Let's go with 175 calls. We might change it to 180 if the premiums are pretty high. Yeah, let's go with the 180 calls actually, guys. Elon, yeah, this will probably be for the small account. In fact, yeah, I'm doing it for the small account, so I'm pretty confident in it. No, the 180, our limit will be different. It'll probably be right around like 2.3. So we're looking at 522, 180 calls. Okay, guys, I just got filled at 2.3 on BYND. So BYND 0522 180 calls. Beautiful. All right, now that I got that signaled, guys, let's leave BYND alone for a little bit. Let it do its own thing here, and let's start scanning the markets again. Jeez, AMD. I knew it had some room to run. I just didn't think it would do it so quickly here. It's a bit wild. Let's see if we get a clean bounce off of this or not. That'd be pretty cool if we did. Sorry, guys. I don't know if my computer's lagging or anything like that right now. I don't know how good the Wi-Fi is, but I'm at my buddy's lake house in Illinois right now. I live in Colorado, so I'm sorry if my Wi-Fi is lagging for you guys or something like that. Also, guys, for my watch list, because I doubt that I'll be able to trade really anytime other than the mornings and maybe right at market close. So I mean, guys, if things on my watch list break while I'm, oh shoot, did BYND do something? Oh, I mean, it's fine. Good on BYND. You're right. You're right. Nice BYND. Well, we could take profit, guys. I mean, the small account's up like 7% today. It's freaking stupid how much it's up. um, no, I mean, once again, though, I do think this has quite a ways longer to run here. So we'll hold for now. Ugh. Oh. Are you looking at the spread right now on BYND, Elon? Yeah, it looks like it's trading at the ask for the most part. So Fan, what's going on with BYND right now? Oh. Guys, this isn't even bad. We're still above where we wanted to enter. Chill. We also have like 522 expiration, so we got like a lot of time on that. Don't even worry. Let's look at the 5 minutes. Yeah, chill out. Looks fine to me. I mean, yeah, it'll be okay. It's just getting some room back on the RSI. Oh yeah, BYND is looking nice. Nice. Okay. Ooh. Nice bounce for Walmart. If this is a confirmed bounce, then I think I'm going to play it to the downside here. Can I see BYND taking 139 to 140 today? 140? Yeah, I could definitely see 140. I would say like first resistance would be right around that 145 area. So yeah, if it takes that, it takes that. Nice BYND. All right, guys. Well, we may end up shorting Walmart here soon. Walmart. Cool, cool. What I'm looking at right now is like 515, 122 strike puts for Walmart. Ah. Especially if Walmart takes this right here. Mm-hmm. Sweet. Let's enter those 515, 122 puts. Quantity one. I'll let you guys know exactly when I enter, but I'm basically just typing everything in right now. 515, 122 puts on Walmart. You jumped in already. Nice. Good entry, fan. I just got in, guys. Shorting Walmart. Sweet. Nice, guys. BYND looks like it's shaping up pretty nice here. Yeah, some nice red volume for sure, Elias. Jeez, AMD really did keep on pumping, huh? Oh, look at that BYND. Nice. What are we waiting to play the downside of? Very confused. Ah, AMD. Yeah. Jeez, that was a big move. Um, yeah, I think probably solid resistance would be 55.32. If it hits that, I'll probably start shorting it. Fresiano, you could average down, but you shouldn't be that much down. Like, you shouldn't be so far down that you need to average down to stay in. Walmart's doing nice, guys. Yeah, Fresiano, once again, you should probably be okay without averaging down. I would assume at least. Wow, Walmart's doing good, guys. Nice. Yeah, Walmart's been doing that a lot lately, Luke. We've been seeing that Walmart playing that inverse quite a bit. So we may take profit here soon on Walmart. Nice little scalp. I got in at 0.87, so
Yeah, I'm gonna take profit here on Walmart, guys. Let's see what the bid ask is at. Cool. So I'm assuming we'll get out probably right around 0.94. Sweet, guys. Well, okay, we got out at 0.91. Not upset about it all. Mm, mm. What passed my TP point way too fast, Luke? Oh, yeah. I mean, it looks like I got out at a great time. Cammy, what about AMD, man? AMD definitely wasn't an L. Oh, geez, you guys can't hear anything. I just realized that I was muted. LOL. Okay, good, good. All right, sorry about that, guys. Basically, this is what I'm looking at for BYND. Once again, this is like a longer term play, guys. I shouldn't say longer term, like it'll probably still be a day trade or a swing trade. Like we won't hold it terribly long, but once again. Long-term trend on Walmart. I mean, it is still holding below this uh, broken support that's now acting as a resistance. So I would say as long as it holds below that, you're probably fine. But once again, this broken support that is now turned into a resistance right here. It's got quite a few touches on it. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I guess that 6 would be it acting as a resistance. But yeah, I'm chilling. Yeah, I see that, Alon. Um, we'll see what happens here, I guess. Yeah, BYND, huh? Yeah, that drop's a bit absurd on it. I mean, once again, though, guys, we do have a lot of time on these contracts. So, like, honestly, I wouldn't mind sitting them out for a while. Um, isn't it 2 weeks out expiration? So we can definitely swing them a day or two and be totally fine. Anything in Disney? Let's check it out. Hmm. Nothing on Disney right now. We do have this kind of resistance right here on Disney, that 107.5-ish mark. That's about it though right now. Hmm. One thing I am thinking about doing is like a pretty aggressive average down um, on BYND here. Not completely sure. Let's see if it will take back this broken support first before we do anything like that. Hmm. How the contracts prices are changing on BYND are a bit frustrating, guys. Not terrible though. If we take that probably like 138 level, we'll probably be green on these contracts. So I'm not too worried here. I do like, guys, one thing on BYND that I do like is that we got a lot of room on the RSI again. Yeah, exactly, Luke. There's a lot of momentum going upwards on BYND. You know, which is the same thing that helped us out on those AMD calls, is that momentum boosted the contract price pretty significantly. So, yeah, we're probably seeing some sort of trendline resistance like this here. Something like that. I mean, Luke, it's definitely up to you. You know, you don't have a terrible exit right now on Walmart. You could hold until and see if it breaks or not, this trendline resistance here, but that ultimately is totally up to you, man. Um, Walmart hasn't seemed to be following the market lately, so it's probably okay if you. Yeah, Luke, I'm kind of confused by that too. Why it turned so green as soon as I sold. But yeah, the Walmart hasn't really seemed to be following the market very much lately, so you might be okay. It really is up to you though, 100%. Yeah, Walmart is dropping a little bit here. Apple calls. I was actually just looking at something that happened on Apple. Um, just broke this ascending channel to the upside. Um, I guess let's go like far out, 4 hours. No, look at this. It's basically already almost recovered from the coronavirus, which is kind of crazy and absurd. And I don't know if that's how where it should be right now. But yeah, kind of wild how quickly Apple has recovered despite all of this coronavirus thing happening. Awesome, guys. Well, I know this was a pretty short session, but I think I'm gonna head out and grab some breakfast with my buddy. Um, I'll keep you guys updated on BYND. Another thing I'll be looking at is kind of some sort of ascending triangle on SPY here. If you guys can kind of see this here. But besides that, guys, thank you for tuning in. Sorry it's such a short session today. You know, it's usually a lot longer than this, but I'm at my buddy's lake house right now, and I don't want to make him just eat breakfast all by himself. So thank you guys. I will stay in touch with you guys the rest of today.